Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hola, 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 hola. Welcome back. Again, scientist. We are speaking about scientists and science. What do scientists do? We said scientists observe, scientists predict, scientists study things, scientist uses what? Senses. And what do scientists use? Okay? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Scientist uses what? Scientist uses what? Who can tell me? I can't hear you. Yes. Very good. Teko. Scientist uses tools. Very good. Teko says that scientist uses tools. So there are tools that scientists use so that they can observe, so that they can study something. Scientist uses tools. Who can tell me what are tools? Nina? Say again. Very good. Tools are what? Nina says that tools are things that makes our work to be very easy. Okay? So Nina says that tools are things that make our work to be easy. That's what a tool is. So scientist uses tools. Let's think for a moment. If my pencil cannot write, what do I do? What tool can I use to make my pencil sharp? My pencil is not sharp now. You see? It's not sharp. I can't use it to write. What tool can I use to make my pencil to be sharp? What can I use? Yes? Polly, what can I use? Very good. Polly says that I can use a pencil sharpener. So this is a tool. I take my pencil, I put it here, and I start to sharpen my pencil. And what's going to happen? My pencil is gonna become sharp. And after that, I can be able to use my pencil. You see now? My pencil is sharp. Now, I can write. So, the pencil sharpener, the pencil sharpener make my work to be easy. It made my work to be very easy. Now I can take my notes, I can be able to write because I have tools that helps me to do my work. Another tool, for example, Teacher Daniel has tools. These tools help Teacher Daniel to see. Okay? So when I wear my glasses, these are my tools. They make it easy, very easy for me to see. Because without my glasses, I cannot see you. Okay, I know I can see. Okay? But these glasses makes it easy, very easy for Teacher Daniel to be able to see. What tools tools do scientists use? Who can tell me? Tools that scientists use. Huh? Scientist uses what? I can't hear you. Shinya, what do scientists use? Scientist uses microscope. Say it. Scientist uses microscope. Microscope. Let's go to our science textbook. We are going to find a microscope there on page 163. Okay? Page 163. There is a picture of a microscope. Go there now. You are going to find a microscope on page 163. Okay? So scientists use that tool. And what else? Scientists uses microscope and hand lens. Okay? They use a microscope and they also use a hand lens. So also on page 163, there's a picture of a microscope and there's another picture of a hand lens on page 163. So scientists uses these tools. What do they use them for? Why do scientists use a microscope and why do scientists use a hand lens? Why? Who can tell me? Huh? I can't hear you. Who's making noise? Why are you making noise? Be quiet. Very good. Okay, come back here. Now, who can tell me? No, there at the back there. Aurora, yes. Aurora, tell me, why do scientists use this microscope and hand lens for? To make, Aurora says that, to make small objects bigger. Very good, Aurora. To make small objects to be bigger. So scientists use a microscope and a hand lens to look at small things and make them big. For example, can we see gems? Can you see gems on my hands? If you look at my hands now, can you see gems? Yes or no? No. What do you use, Grace? Good. Grace says that for you to see gems on my hands, you use a microscope or a hand lens because gems are very small, very, very small. Grace says that you can't see gems with your eyes. So scientists use microscope and hand lenses to make small objects to be bigger. And then they can say, wash your hands, sanitize, your hands are dirty, go and wash your hands. Okay? So scientists uses microscope and hand lenses. And also you have, who wants to tell me? You have tools that you use in the classroom. What do you use? Who can tell me? What tools do you use here in your class? When you write your homework, when you make a presentation, when you make a project, what tools do you use? Tell me. Huh? Yes. Cindy. Cindy says she uses her pen. What about you? Gina? Gina says that she uses her books. Very good. What about, who do we have there? What about you? Who's that? No, behind you, Kiki. Oh, yes. What about you? Chloe. Chloe says we use, a backpack. Very good. What else do you use in the classroom? Oh, Dora says we use scissors. Very good. What else? What tools? What more tools do you use in the classroom? Who can tell me? Randy says that we use a glue. Very good. What else? What else? Let's hear others. Robbie there. Good. Robbie says we use a pencil sharpener. What else? What else? What else? What else do we use in the classroom? What tools do we use? Okay, very good. So, Lisa says we use a microscope so that we can be able to make things bigger. Good. Lisa says that we can look at coronavirus, COVID-19. We can look and study COVID-19 when we look at a microscope. Because Lisa says that we can't see COVID-19. So scientists, you go to the hospital, the scientist will take your blood sample and they go and study. They look at your samples and then they can say, oh, you have COVID-19 or you don't have COVID-19. So they use a microscope because COVID-19 is a very small particles. It's a small virus. It's like a germ. You can't see it. So for you to see it, you need a microscope. And scientists study that. Hello, hi. I'm giving you, let me see, 2 seconds. Okay? 2 seconds to copy that in your book. Very good. Very, very good. You guys are awesome. Okay? Perfect.